This is the kickoff for the 13.4 milestone for the verified testing issues. I'm James Heimbuck, product manager for the testing group.
And I am Juan Ramirez. I'm product designer for the testing group.
So in the 13.4 milestone, some of the top deliverables for the team are a continuation of the work around group code coverage that we started in 13.3. I'm going to be highlighting the next iteration for us, and that is going from all of the data being available to just select project data being available. In the designs here, we see that you'll be able to pick projects in the same sort of picker that you would use for labels and issues or other areas around the GitLab UI. After selecting your projects, you'll be presented with this coverage summary showing you the current coverage of the project, how many jobs go into that coverage, and the last time it was updated. If you need to then pull that data down and slice and dice it further, we're making just that select data available for download as a CSV, and you'll be able to choose your time frame as well. This data will be available going back 90 days and will start being collected from when we release the feature. And I'm going to turn it over to Juan to talk about a couple of iterations on some usability and some improvements that we're making in 13.4. So Juan, I'll let you share.
Thanks, James. So let me share my screen. Share screen. All right, so yeah, so in this milestone, we are also tackling some usability issues that we have had for a long time that are affecting our users. Hopefully this is gonna make our features easier to use, and it's gonna allow our customers to browse and find problems with the tests faster. So one of those improvements is gonna be basically the ability to sort the JUnit report by status and by duration, which is gonna allow them to find both failed tests and also slow tests. So this is gonna give them a little bit more power when it comes to browsing this table of tests. The other thing that we're gonna be working on is this very interesting issue that has been like open for a while, and it's actually very interesting because it as we have been growing and our customers have been growing their use cases, it's becoming more evident that we needed this. It's basically the idea of providing broken down coverage value for each job that is calculating a test coverage. Right now, we just give the customers an average for all their coverages. And what we're gonna try to do with this is basically allow them to see multiple jobs that provided the input for that coverage data and be able to visualize those things. So essentially, the design is gonna not change a lot in when it comes to the merge request pipeline, but we're just gonna add like a new affordance that it's gonna allow them to see those coverages and see how they're changing per job. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Back to you, James.
Juan, can you show that issue around the merge request change?
All right. I apologize about that. I don't know what was going on,
no worries,
but the designs are here. So basically, as I was mentioning, the jobs are going to be listed in the merge request pipeline, and on hover we're going to provide the different values for each job, and of course like this is the broken down coverage that is being seen here by values, right? So that's more or less what I was saying before. And of course, we're not getting rid of the deltas. That's something that we plan to also address, and we also plan to add that to the actual specific job values as well. That's cool. Pretty much it.
Thanks, Juan. Those are great iterations and usability improvements. Looking forward to those. So as always, we welcome feedback through discussion in these issues that we'll link to in the video, through comments in the video, or you can email me at jheimbuck@gitlab.com about these or any other issues in the testing backlog. Thanks.